Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 9th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.21. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 190.73% since we first listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This translates to an average return of 6.81% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, signaling further potential increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 138.5% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 47.1% to 182.68%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 71.49%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 36.38% to positive 101.75% over the coming year. This translates to a future price range between $30.52 and $96.78. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing features the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price on Thursday moving between $46.87 and $55.15. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 14.86% on the last day, Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, dropping from $56.34 to $47.97. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.67%, ranging from a low of $46.87 to a high of $55.15. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 35.51% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume rose on the last day by 2 million shares, although this coincided with falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 136 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $6.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $58.15, while the lowest was 91 cents. Currently, the price is 17.51%, or $10.18, below the 52-week high of $58.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing has emerged as the market's standout this year, soaring by approximately 264% year-to-date. This surge follows a series of commercial successes, new defense contracts, and global partnerships, indicating that its quantum technology may be approaching genuine traction. The momentum accelerated this week with nearly a 10% increase, driven by broader industry support as major banks and institutional players amplify their quantum initiatives. However, turbulence hit when the CEO's recent exercise and sale of stock options resulted in him holding no ownership, leading to a sharp intraday decline of over 13% and renewed scrutiny regarding insider alignment. In the short term, headlines and enthusiasm within the sector may keep Rigetti Computing stock volatile. Rallies fueled by contract announcements and institutional interest could support further gains, while governance concerns and its current unprofitable status could lead to rapid pullbacks on any negative news. In the long run, the progress of commercialization and scalable revenue will be crucial in determining the company's valuation. Sustained contract wins and partnerships might justify higher valuations, but execution risks challenges with revenue scalability. and competitive pressures mean that the stock remains a high-risk, high-reward opportunity for patient investors. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 7th of October, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The stock of Rigetti Computing Incorporated currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $49.94. Conversely, if it declines, support is likely to be found around $29.90 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near-term outlook. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 15, 2025, with the stock having declined by 14.86% since then. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased as prices fell yesterday, serving as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 74 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago, the relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago, the long-term moving average, sell signal from 110 days ago, the relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 102 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $43.91 and $43.23. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support point. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $43.91. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $43.23 and $40.06. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $8.28 between its high and low, translating to a percentage change of 17.67%. For the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 15.94%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $54.91. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $43.91. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of September, 2025, Sanford Helene Gale executed an insider sale of 1 share of common stock. On the same day, Sanford Helene Gale also conducted an insider sale of 17,634 shares of common stock. On the 17th of September, 2025, Clifton Michael S. executed an insider sale of 100,000 shares of warrants, which are rights to buy. On the 12th of September, 2025, Ionati Thomas J. conducted an insider sale of 100,000 shares of stock options, which are also rights to buy. On the same day, Ionati Thomas J. executed an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -33.726. Overall, insiders purchased 5,299,265 shares and sold 8,458,306 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $45.75, which reflects the decrease of 4.62%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a substantial chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform favorably in the near term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold to a buy recommendation since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of October, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open higher by $2.03 and begin trading at $50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.